Hey guys, hope you're quarantining well and you're staying home and staying safe like I am. Maybe you're having a quarantini. Anyway, I came across a recipe today for beer bread and I thought, well, what do I have lying around my house but Corona? So I'm going to show you how to make Corona bread. So here is our ingredients to make our Corona bread, especially using our secret ingredient, Corona. And I've got a little bit of honey here. I may or may not substitute that for sugar. We'll see. We've got our mixing bowl, flour, baking powder, and butter. And I'm going to make sure that I grease this pan to start so that the bread doesn't stick. All right, let's get started. This recipe is super simple and I'm already making a mess. So I've heated my oven to 375 and I am going to basically mix in my dry ingredients. I am going to sift the flour through this tiny little strainer to make sure that it gets nice and fluffy. We got 3 cups to do. So I'm just gonna give it a shake as it goes in. Maybe tap it in. I've sifted the flour. I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and add it to here and a pinch of salt just to get our dry ingredients out of the way. So you kind of want to just make sure that it's kind of leveled off. We're going to add it to that. And then I'm not really sure what a pinch of salt is, so I'm just going to pinch a little bit of salt and add it in there. Hopefully it's not too salty. This is a very fancy beer opener. Just gonna pop the Corona like that, because who doesn't like a pop Corona? And we're gonna add in the Corona, and it's gonna get super bubbly. Now I'm just gonna add the honey and butter mixture. And we are gonna mix it all up. So I'm just gonna put the dough into the pan, and then we're gonna add the butter on top. So now we've got the last bit of dough into the pan, and we're basically gonna take the entire butter stick and place it in little slices all over the top of the bread, because, as my mother says, butter always makes it better. So our bread's cooking in the oven at 375 for 45 to 50 minutes. I don't know about you, but I may need a quarantini. Well, it's been about 55 minutes and many quarantinis later. I think I'm hungry for some Corona bread. Voila, Corona bread for your coronavirus quarantine. Toilet paper not included.